I'm very sorry if you can hear a leaf blower in the background. We have our neighborhood landscapers here today, so they're making a bunch of noise. Today we are going to do a vlog. I haven't filmed one in a bit, even though you guys have seen one. That's one of my most recent videos. That's like 6 months old. So I figured it was time to make another one. I do have a list of things I need to get done today. I do have dinner at my husband's parents today, so I don't know if I'll be able to get all of it done, but we're gonna try to. We're gonna start off by opening this Amazon package. I already know what it is. It is a part of my best friend's birthday present. So I just need to open this and put this with the rest of her stuff because her birthday isn't until July 25th. So we have some time. I also have to be careful with whatever I do because I cracked my tailbone, so I'm not allowed to do a lot. So I'm gonna be hoping to get everything done, but also resting in between doing things because me walking around and standing and doing things is gonna irritate it. So we'll see how much that I'm actually able to do today. I'm so excited for this gift for her. It's like a perfect fit. This is it. This is 5 books of a series all in one, and it is one of the best series I have ever read, and she doesn't have a hard copy of it, so I got her the hard copy. I also already made my matcha, and I also put my best friend's homemade strawberry syrup in it, so I have a strawberry matcha, and I also put in my Instol. It's a like supplement for people with PCOS, so I put that in there. I did end up cleaning the kitchen off camera because my best friend FaceTimed me, so we were just talking on FaceTime while I was cleaning, but my tailbone is starting to hurt, so I'm relaxing for a little bit. I'm going to read a little bit and then drink more matcha. I had to put my hair up because I started sweating so bad, so the rest of the video my hair's gonna be up. I'm so sorry about this angle, but it's 11:43, so I'm going to start prepping my lunch. So first we're going to thinly slice this whole onion. I don't like this first outer layer. I know the outside is still on, just leave it alone. That is as thinly sliced as you're gonna get from me. And ignore the outside, it's not dirty, that's just stained. My pans have seen better days, ignore it. I have some salted water that I have going to boil, and then I'm going to start making the sauce. I'm now going to measure this stuff out, that way I don't have to do it while I'm dumping it. You're supposed to use cloves, but I don't, I cheat. So here we have these all measured out. I am just gonna wait until this is ready to go in, just because I feel like it's gonna be easier to just drop it directly in so I'm not wasting anything. This is what the onions look like currently, so they still have a pretty long way to go. I went ahead and added the garlic, so now that is going to cook for about a minute. Adding 2 tablespoons of garlic chili crisp, and then we're gonna mix this in and cook this for another minute. We're gonna add in our parsley, our coconut milk. I also added salt and pepper, and now we're going to mix this all together. It's not fully boiling, but I'm impatient, so we're gonna have the pasta now. I did drain the pasta, and I also set aside some of the pasta water in case we need it. We're just gonna dump all of that pasta in the pan, and we're going to mix. As you can see, it's a very light coating, but it does taste really good, and it does have a little bit of a zip from that garlic chili crisp. And that's my lunch. I'm gonna go eat this, and then I'm gonna start doing all of my other stuff I have to do today. So I'm eating the pasta, and this is the first time I've ever made it. I found the recipe on Instagram. I tasted it in the pan, and it all tasted good, and the sauce was fine, but as it's been sitting in my bowl in the pan, it is drying out. So you're going to have to tweak the recipe a lot if you do this. You're gonna have to add more of the coconut milk, probably more garlic. You wanna add more parsley. You only wanna add more garlic chili crisp if you want it spicier because there's already a zip to it. But I figured I'd just let you know that. You can also add more onions too. I added a whole onion, but it doesn't seem to be equivalent to the amount of pasta they want you to use. So there's some information on that. I'm not gonna have as much time as I originally planned to do everything. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shower real fast, and then I'm gonna decide which task needs to be done first. If anything, I can always go into tomorrow and do more things, but I might not be able to film tomorrow, and I might not be able to get my stuff done tomorrow because my best friend's coming over and we are going to start organizing my house, starting with the kitchen. So if that happens, then I won't be able to do any of the things on my to-do list and I won't be able to film it all. So we'll see how it goes. I'm showered, but if anyone needs like comfy shorts, these are biker shorts from Amazon. They come in a pack of 3 and they are ridiculously comfortable. I basically live in them. So my husband gets off work in like 15 minutes, so I don't have a lot of time to do the rest of my stuff. So I'm just gonna do the small things right now, and I'm going to empty out all of my Hobby Lobby bags from us going to Hobby Lobby a couple days ago. This is the big one. This is all yarn for a blanket I'm making for my friend's birthday. This is the color of it, and I'm making one of those chunky hand knit blankets. So this is all for that blanket. And then we just have this bag. This bag is actually filled with a lot of trash too. I got a couple mini brands because I'm obsessed with them, and I opened them actually in the car. I got this little jar because I'm doing a wet specimen for my friend. And I got Sharpies, and the rest of it's just trash. Look at how cute these are though. It's a little White Castle burger crate, a Sonic corn dog, and it comes out, miso soup, SpaghettiOs, a bottle of zero sugar Sprite, Skillet chicken marsala packet, tape, a Subway drink, a menu, and this UPS box that even has like a little label on the other side. But when I felt it, there's something in it, and it has a Dogecoin in it. I didn't know they did that. I have a little section on my bookshelf of all my little mini stuff. That's where those are gonna go. I have to make more reptile water because this is empty, and I have to clean and fill my lizard water. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm just gonna add some Reptisafe. And I'm just going to shake it to mix it. parents' house, so I probably won't be filming really at all. So I'll see you after. Okay, I'm back home. It's a couple hours later. My tailbone hurts really bad, so I'm not doing anything else except for sitting on the couch and relaxing the rest of the day. So that is everything that I have for you in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.